My name is Anthony Tracy and this is the top 5 best Jamaican TV shows. Run it. Kicking off at number 5, we have Real Friends. So Real Friends was our teen drama. It's a Jamaican teen drama. Probably the first and maybe the only teen drama we've ever had. Number 4, Me and Me Crew.
Bomba! Mommy! Look! $250 million!
So Me and Me Crew, I really enjoyed it. It was really good. It was really, really funny. And I think this is a show that should have lasted longer. Number 3, IT and Fancy Cat show. IT and Fancy Cat, you know, them always are gonna bring the energy.
Yeah, man. You have sense?
It was like our Saturday Night Live. Number 2, Oliver at Large. Do I really need to say more? It's Oliver Samuels. Anything Oliver does, it's always great. The man has good comic timing. Yeah, Oliver at Large for sure. The best Jamaican sitcom we've ever had. Before we get to number 1, I have to big up this honorable mention. A lot of you guys are probably gonna cuss me and say this should have even been in the top 5. Lime Tree Lane. So number 1, I'm sure you guys all saw this coming. Royal Palm Estate, you know, a bold, high-quality drama set in an upscale Jamaican community. There was just so much drama, so much twist, so much turn every Sunday, right? We used to hide and watch it. All right, guys, so do you agree with my picks? Comment below and let me know what you think.